Hi, I'm Ashley, and I studied metallurgical engineering and material science and got my master's in engineering management.
Hi, I'm Janessa. I got my master's in electrical engineering and my master's in
Hi, I'm Ciara Murdoch. I have my bachelor's in mechanical engineering and pursuing my master's in engineering management.
Hi, I'm Renee. I have 2 bachelor's degrees, one in business and general and urban engineering studies.
Hi, I'm Zaire Sylvia. I have a bachelor's degree in aerospace engineering from Tuskegee University, and I have a master's in space systems engineering and an MBA.
Hi, my name is Kirsten Johnson. I have a bachelor's in mechanical engineering from Texas Tech and a master's in technology commercialization from the University of Texas.
I'm Ashley, and I studied metallurgical engineering and material science at the University of Alabama, and I got my degree in engineering management from Vanderbilt University.
Hi, my name is Natalie Tilson, and I have a bachelor's in exercise science from Kennesaw State University, and I also have a software engineering master's from Kennesaw State University.
Hi, I'm Aparnita Satpathy. I have a degree in industrial systems engineering from Georgia Tech and an MBA from Johns Hopkins.
Hi, my name is Jessica Pham. I have a bachelor's degree in textile technology and a master's degree in textile chemistry from North Carolina State University.
Hi, I'm Shania Williams, aka the cutest chemist. I'm a cosmetic formulation chemist with a degree in chemistry from North Carolina A&T at Pride.
Hi, I'm Maya Screen. I have a bachelor's in construction management from Southern Polytechnic University and a degree in BIM, which is Building Information Modeling Management.
Hi, I'm Naksha Roy. I have a bachelor's in chemical engineering from MIT, and I'm currently doing my master's in systems engineering at Georgia Tech.
Today we are at STEM Community Service Day, and it was so great getting to teach the kids about density, chemical reactions, and we made lava lamps with the kids. So thank you all for coming out. it's your girl Ashley at the Global Women in STEM Summit 2025. We are out here at Weston Buckhead having the best time. Today we talked about resilience. Today we talked about what is your superpower. Today we got to learn about mentorship versus sponsorship. And it was just a wonderful, wonderful conference, meeting other women, learning about new companies, new people, new organizations that are up and coming. So it was such an honor and privilege to speak here on behalf of All Things STEM with Ashley today. Tune in for more info tomorrow and part 2. I'm out here at UTA. Today I got to speak with UTA's NESB group. Some shit people came, some sweet people came, and it was a wonderful time talking about networking with intention. It was such a wonderful time with the students, and I can't wait for them to kill it next week at their conference in Houston. So until next time, I'll see them then. Bye-bye.
Hey y'all, it's Josephine
and Salem. So today we had a dinner with the Society of Women Engineers UTA and the Fourth Ward Professional Chapter. And girl,
I'm sitting there and I see Ashley Jeter come sit to my left. I'm like, wait.
Oh my!
I know it's not. I'm like fangirling, trying to keep it cool. Like, y'all, Ashley was really at our sweet meeting, and you know what? We're just so excited to tune into her content. Like,
she has a podcast.
Yes, podcast, YouTube.
They have like Pilates on Saturday.
She's setting up meetings to help young professionals like y'all.
She came up to me, gave me her contact. I was like,
her card. Where is it at? Like, it was like
it's somewhere.
Y'all.
Love her.
All Things STEM with Ashley. Thank you for coming to Mats and Matcha, our first women's wellness event ever. We wanted to reset, refocus, and recharge for the upcoming year. Thank you for coming. Hi everyone, I'm Ashley Jeter, the founder of All Things STEM with Ashley. We focus on mentorship and professional development and highlighting minorities in STEM and their career success. Today I'm at the Inspire STEM Summit with the NESB DFW team, and I got to facilitate a workshop on lava lamps, teaching the students about density, carbon dioxide, and different reactions, and it was a wonderful time.